Hello everyone, I'm Courtney and welcome to day 2 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar series. Today we'll be looking at how to use personally styled custom base maps in your mapping applications. If you haven't seen the day 1 video yet, be sure to check that out. And if you tried out yesterday's challenge, you can find the solution in the video description below. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand the importance of base maps. A base map provides the fundamental geographic context of your map. A well-designed base map enhances the visual appeal and usability of a mapping application, as well as the visibility of any data overlaid on top of it. Esri offers a selection of over 25 different base maps, including topographic maps and satellite imagery, as well as some creative options like colored pencil and Nova. Part of yesterday's challenge was to test out some of these different styles. Today, we're going to take some of these styles and customize them to our liking for our own creative looking maps. Before we jump into the customization, let's pick up from where we left off yesterday. We'll continue building upon the code from our previous tutorial, so make sure that you have that ready. And previously, I used the ArcGIS Community Base Map. I do like this base map, but I'm going to do a bit of customization to it. And this can be done by creating a custom vector base map layer style through the Vector Tile Style Editor. To get there, I'll go to my developer dashboard and click on Layers. Here I can click Data and then New Vector Base Map Layer Style. This opens up the Vector Tile Style Editor. Here I can see a variety of base map options to customize. I'll choose the ArcGIS Community one since that's the one I've been using. Now, within here, I'm able to customize general portions of my base map with the quick edit options. Or I can choose to edit specific layers, colors, icons, the JSON, and more. I'll go ahead and change the colors of a few things here in Quick Edit. I'll also change the font style and label size. Now, once I'm happy with my new style, I will click Save As, and this will generate an ID value that can be found up in the URL or back in the developer dashboard. Now, to use my new style, I'll replace the base map enumeration of ArcGIS Community in my code with my new ID value. I'll open this up in the browser and see my new custom style in my map. Now, for today's challenge, I want you to create a map with a custom Esri base map that has some kind of theme. This could be related to some kind of holiday or your favorite sports team or any other ideas you come up with. Once you've finished, share your creations in the comments below. And that wraps up day 2 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar series. In my next video, I'll show you how to add and style data on your maps with a feature layer. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!